Amber from Amber's Craft Week blog. Happy spooky season, everyone! Today I'm going to show you how I did the spiderweb nail art. It's been a little while since I've done nail art. Now I tend to use really not necessarily the best quality nail polish. So what ends up happening is my nails will become brittle and break. And so if I want to grow them out, then I have to go without nail polish for a while. That's been a problem I've had historically. You can see if you look in places like this thumbnail here is a bit cracked, this index fingernail is cracked, and this thumbnail also has a crack in it. I went most of the summer without nail polish. I would wear it occasionally for like a day sometimes, and that may not have helped. So that may be why they're a little more cracked and fragile than they usually are at this time. But I've gotten some new nail polish, which is supposed to be higher quality, so hopefully my nails will not crack so much. Since it's Halloween season, I figured a spiderweb design on our accent nail would be a fun little thing to do, so let's get to it. For this, we're going to need a base coat. I have here the regular base coat from Holo Taco. I also have the peely base coat because I'm going to use that on the accent nails. Now, if you use a peel-off base coat, your manicure will not last as long. But I found my ring fingers tend to not get a lot of use, like the nails that chip first are like my thumb and index finger. So I'm hoping that I'll be able to use the peely base for this and it will be fine for a few days. We're also going to need a base color, and so I have here Magenta Jelly Holo Taco. And if this is feeling like a bad Simply Nailogical knockoff video, I also have David's Tea. Not sponsored. We're also going to need some white paint, and so I just have the color white from Apple Barrel, a nail art brush, and my paint palette. So first, let's go ahead and do the base coats, and I'm going to start with the peely base on the two ring fingernails so I don't forget. And now we're going to use the regular base coat on the remaining nails. Alright, we get our base coat on. Now we gotta let that dry for a moment. Now it's time to apply our base color. So I'm just gonna paint all my nails with this Magenta Jelly color. Alright, now my nails are the base color. Gonna let them dry for a few, and then we'll get to the fun part. The accent nails. Alright, it's spiderweb time. So we're going to take a little bit of our white paint. And we're going to start by drawing a line straight down the center of this nail here. And then we're going to paint a line going across the nail. So we're going to basically cut the nail into quarters with this. From here, I'm going to draw a line going across diagonally either way. So I'm going to start here. We're just going to go, oh shoot, oh. We can fix that up at the end. And we're just going to go like that, and we're going to do the same thing for all the corners. So I'll try and show you as best as I can. I'll have to tilt my nails as I go. And so now we've got like this little star shape, which could be cool for lots of things, but we're going to go for a spider web. So I'm just going to be kind of drawing little lines connecting the spokes of the spider web. So I'm going to draw one going like this. And I'm trying to add a little bit of curve to them. It's hard to do given how small of a canvas we're working with, but I think it's kind of working. I apologize for turning my hand. It's just really hard to show you and paint certain ways, so I'm going to turn my hand to try and show you more of what's happening here. Alright, so we got the first part of our spider web going. I'm going to do probably one more and we're going to call it good. So I'm just going to kind of go around again and just do another layer of this webbing effect. I don't know if you're going to be able to see this one very well, but we're going to be able to add a little more curvature to this level. And now we are basically done with this nail. There's a few places where I have to patch up, like where I made that mistake early on. And this bottom spoke, I'm going to call it, also needs a little work. But on the whole, I think we got a pretty good spider web going on. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to repeat that process on the other hand. So I have to hold my left hand very still to be able to paint with it because it shakes a lot because it's not my dominant hand. So here I'm basically holding my left hand steady and moving the right hand. Alright, now we have the accent nail on either hand done. I'm going to go ahead and grab a top coat because apparently I forgot to do that. And then we're going to seal in these nails and we'll be done. So you remember how I said that I had some nicer nail polish? Well, the thing that I forgot to buy was a top coat. So I have here this Wet n Wild Clear Nail Protector. Not sure if this is actually supposed to be used as a top coat, but since my nails are still a little wet, I didn't want to dig through my nail polish thing, so it was the first one I could grab. So we're going to go ahead and use it. And here are the finished nails. Basically, there's still a few places I had to clean up with a little acetone, so like the corner of this nail here and this nail here, but otherwise, my nails are done. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, consider giving me a like or letting me know in the comments. If you want to see more crafts, then you may want to subscribe. You can also check out my craft blog, amberscraftweek.blogspot.com, which I've linked to in the description box below. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.